Alright. As long as Creeper Mouse doesn't come near me.
It wasn't very nice.
Well, that's what you are. I'm sorry.
House.
I'm having all the puberty cracks as well. I'm so sorry. Jack, save me!
Yes, Rob! Yes, Rob, nerd!
Why don't you just come back and play with me? It's totally really funny.
No, Jack, don't believe him. He tries to do things with you.
I'm Yuki Laser tomorrow!
He's pedo mouse.
I'm gonna get you sooner or later.
Welcome to our eternal hell. I'll just stand on your head.
This is gonna be a fun day.
Why Mickey Minnie Moose, whatever you are.
I'm Mocky Moose.
I'm sorry.
Who's
Mocky
the,
Moose. Get it right.
who's the warden?
It's Mickey Moose.
Well, I will tell you one thing. It ain't me.
Oh. No, you're leaving right now. Alright?
I didn't want to leave. I want to have playful times with you. Oh no, I messed.
Oh no, Mickey Moose! It's my revenge. It's time for my revenge.
Oh.
Get him. What was that?
That was me being a boss!
Yeah, was that the cry of your people?
That was me being an epic, awesome dude.
Did you juke me?
No, I am the hardcore parkourist of all the hardcore parkourers. That is all you must know.
Okay, I know I saw you over here, but where did you get? Oh, did you get over there? Did you? I don't.
Shit.
I don't know, and even if you are, I don't know how you got there.
Crap. So, Aaron, where are you? Oh wait, I need to try to find a way.
Oh, I think I know where you went. I just don't know how to get there.
I know where you live.
Whoa, hang on.
Okay.
Hang on, I need to oh wait. Ooh.
Let's see.
No, come on.
Where am I?
No. I'm coming. I'm coming so hard.
Oh, hi there.
As you see, I am the hardcore parkourist of the hardcore
Would
parkourist.
you just come down here for a little bit?
No, because I have to put down my smoke spawner. Hey,
Hi there.
Alex, man.
I'm
Prisoner.
just
Where
trying
are
to
you?
get us.
Yeah,
Oh, you got up there? How?
This is
The ultimate
me,
park-
Ninja.
Shit, I almost fell off. I'm the ultimate parkour master.
I will find you, and I will get to you someday. But it's gonna be a while. You demon spawn. You demon spawn.
There, have a smoke bomb.
Sorry for that.
I don't even know. There might actually be another way up here. I have no
Actually,
clue.
by the way,
What, Aaron?
Really
I'm
stuck.
stuck.
Okay, I don't even care about catching you guys anymore. I want to figure out how to get up there.
You do it with wheat.
Oh, I know how you did it.
Oh, you did.
I do.
Hang on, let me go over to where I think you. Nope. Wait.
Did it.
Oh shit. Wait. What?
Even if I
Oh,
didn't do what you thought I did. I did.
Wait.
Ooh! This is
Wait.
good.
Wait. Where did you get to it from?
Hi!
I'm confused. Where are
Wait,
you?
where are you? Where am I?
Uh,
I'm
Hi
trying.
there.
I'm trying to figure out where I'm going.
You're going up that place.
Well, yeah, I figured that out. But okay, I found your smoke spawner.
I'm nowhere near there anymore.
I
It's
noticed.
right over there.
Holy shit!
In the ball.
This spot is pretty. This
He's right
spot
here. Hey, Alex, he's right down here.
this spot is pretty leaked.
I made you look.
Darn you, you spawn of Satan.
I'm not. All right, yeah.
I'm sorry. That's what I'm sorry. That's what you are. It's too scary. It's so scary. It
wish
makes me
Matt
laugh and joy.
I wish Massey was here, because then he will make the best one.
Yes, he would.
He makes a better voice than me.
Well. I mean, Aaron, your voice is pretty good. I have to admit.
It's okay.
I mean, I can make a smoker mom's voice. That's basically it.
I can't make any voices.
Thank you, Jack, for getting me out of there.
Ha ha ha! Very funny.
All right.
I know, right? It's almost like I totally got it out.
Yeah.
Oh no, you did actually get him out, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Almost like
You
he actually
sons
got
of
me out.
craps! I've got you in my sights.
No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Or do I?
Brought him down upon us.
You have brought down hell rain. Rains of hell.
Oh no, I fell down.
Hey, Alex.
What?
Actually, where did you get up there? Like up and oh god.
Hi. Hi.
No.
You will be assimilated into my butthole.
I'll be going on my way.
You're supposed to assimilate me into the Tau Empire.
I will assimilate you into my butthole.
What?
Don't ask how that works. I have no idea. This is a dead end.
I don't want to know what you're thinking right now, so.
Aaron, you come to help the guy out and turn.
Where,
the
Aaron? Where are you? Where's the Mickey Moose?
I'm gonna be selling weed on the streets.
Aaron, you can turn the baby.
Oh my god.
You stupid Tau filthy scrub lord! I just shot a ball at you.
Why you gotta throw your balls at me?
Well, because it's probably not than my flashlight. Because
Oh,
know,
hello,
it's...
Mickey Moose.
Mickey Mouse.
Hello, Mickey Moose.
Lucky Mouse. Lucky Moose.
Close,
Mickey Mouse, run.
close enough.
Fly, you fool!
I'm watching you.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
You can't see us.
Is it John Cena Mouse?
You can't see this.
Aaron, is your voice gonna hurt after you're done?
What? No, my voice always hurts.
Oh wow! I just like trick shot that ball.
Oh!
No, come on.
Oh,
I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time.
Oh,
Unless I'm really good, but I'm not that good.
I'm getting to some amazing places right now.
get some water. Be right back.
Oh no. Darn
What?
you.
Like
Darn you,
this?
Mickey Moose. Or Mocky Moose, sorry.
Why don't you come back here? Let's play.
No. No, please. Mocky, follow me. I actually, we're gonna go to that top area.
Hi.
Hi, you're the warden.
Yeah, I know. For the Imperium, I will purge these heretics.
But we don't have any hair. So how are we heretics?
Oh, that is very funny.
I'm so original.
Wow. That was very rude of you, Jack.
Are you already got?
Yes.
Yeah.
How?
Because he decided to follow us.
No,
and just, like,
no, I'm just floating in midair. Nope.
Jack,
Activate the
come on,
note
you're not
boat.
supposed to follow us.
You're not... Why do you have to be the fun police?
Cheater,
Fight me!
okay?
Be free, Mickey Mouse! Oh, come on.
Nope.
Why?
Well, I wouldn't feel.
You're
I would feel.
okay now.
I would Aaron, but last time it broke his game.
Jack, I don't. Jack, no. Just no.
That's why I said I was gonna kill him, but then it broke your game last time. So
That is true. My game did crash when he tried to kill Mickey Mouse.
I could just kill myself and break the game. Yes. I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, Jack. Oh, hello, Mickey Mouse. I've got you in my siss.
Alex, I like how I completely juked you.
Yeah, I don't
Like,
care.
you don't care.
The spawn of Satan was my target.
I've been
Oh.
Hi.
Oh, okay. So it was your good graces that allowed me to live. It wasn't the fact that I just completely.
Well, also you juked me as well. I didn't see you.
Oh, I did juke you. Oh.
Yes, but also if I had seen you, I would have gone for the spawn of Satan.
I didn't even know the spawn of Satan was anywhere near me.
I can't even look at him with a straight face. Oh my god. Okay. Well, Jack. So I presume you got to the area the same way I did?
No, I'm actually. Wait, what?
Well, I mean the
So-
first time you got to that.
I did it the same way as you, but I'm not up there right now.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go up there just because I want to explore what's up there. Cause I
Alright.
can.
So I should not go up there, is what you're saying.
Yes, exactly.
Alright, I'm gonna be right back again.
Alright. I failed it. I'm a failure. Also, what's the point of the weird stick thing you have as the warden? If you just hold right click, it'll just make sparks.
I'm back.
Alright. No, I failed. Like, oh no, I actually succeeded. I am surprised. This is a nice area. Can I smash this? I can't. That sucks. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. He has been freed. I repeat, this bomb's... Oh no, wait. Has he been freed?
Hi. Where is everybody? Me upstairs, Mom's getting the oil changed, and I'm right here.
Hey, Jack.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Wait. Yay! I did it! Die! Oh god! Oh god! His body! His body!
This gonna be changed now.
No! No! No, please! No, please!
Hey, Alex,
no.
you know how to get up there, and he doesn't.
That is true.
How do you know?
Dangerous.
I'm scared.
No, I just have a smoke grenade spawner.
I'm
Eh.
just gonna sit back and watch you guys.
Aaron, you should come try to kill us.
I will.
You're gonna get this time to run away. That's awfully nice of you. Alex, are you already in there?
No, I'm not. I'm nowhere
No.
near.
Alright, if you want to,
Hi
No.
there.
hi.
What do we have here?
A person doing person things.
Wow, such helpful.
Is it possible for me to get a... Oh, you're running away.
Yes. Although I just got way up to the spot, so,
Don't worry. I know all the places in this map.
Oh, what was that noise I just made? I like burped and then squealed at the same time. Oh my god, that felt really weird in my throat.
I would think so. So, Aaron, how you going with trying to get up there?
Pretty great.
Oh, God.
That's scary. Eh,
I like the lower gravity. It allows more hardcore parkour.
yes.
Oh, hello, Breeder Goodman. I see you.
Wait, where? Oh,
Look,
hi.
I'm up here.
I
Gotta
can't.
do this.
I can't.
Shit. I
Oh,
failed.
you're. Oh, I really want to get up there with you, but we
Look,
can't
look,
because Mickey Mouse is guarding it.
Oh, crap.
You're garbage.
I mean, the two kind of little. None. I don't think there is a difference. It's just sausage, some stuff, and some cheese. See, look. No, follow me. Look, watch this.
Okay.
See, look. Watch this.
Wait. Oh, wait. Oh,
Right.
oh, I'm not going to succeed at that. But no crap.
You overshot it. You didn't even undershoot it. You overshot. Oh, this is a thing right here that you can do. That would be very helpful if I knew that.
Oh yeah.
Uh.
All right. Let me
Yes,
get.
I agree. And where are you?
I'm right here.
I mean, I know Aaron. Oh wait, no, wait.
No,
Alex,
I missed again.
Alex, no, look, come here, look. Watch this.
What?
Alex, where are you? Come on up.
I'm right here. Okay, I'm coming.
Come on.
Where did
I
you
can't
go,
get up.
little boy?
Go around the other side. You're clear.
Okay. I'm scared.
You're clear. I will let you know if anything in the realm of demon comes to try to destroy you.
Where did you go, little boy?
Come on.
Okay. Just please give me a boost. I can't even do it on my own. Okay,
Alright,
thank
so
you.
I get angry when I can't find my prey. I get real angry.
Okay. So I presume we just jump from here?
Hang on. Let's
Maybe
see
even sometimes
here.
angry.
Oh, Jack, no, he's in the area. He's in the area.
I am, eh?
Yeah, he is. Look,
Oh,
over
am
there.
I?
He's over there.
Am I? Hi there.
I would start running.
Yeah,
It'd be
probably.
a shame if something could happen to that spot.
But you can't.
Oh god.
No!
Oh.
Oh!
Screw you. I'll find a way.
Jack, we should
I
run.
always do.
Yeah. Not. Oh, the same.
Oh, the save. Run! Run!
Don't worry, I have time. Plenty of time.
Run.
I got stuck on the wall.
No! Jack, why?
Hey.
Okay. Hold on, we gotta... Huh. Is there anything this way? Nope. Not that way. Okay,
Don't worry, I'm getting real good at these bunny hops.
Okay, come on. Now you can get up here. Oh. And then... Huh.
Alex, I'm left behind. I'm sad.
Come on! Don't die on me! You can do it! Just go back up the stairs and then go to the entranceway.
Did you open it?
No! He's right there! He's right there! No! No! Oh my god, I'm dying.